Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Josh, and today we do have at least one rag bag. It's rather small. Unfortunately, it appears that all my rag bags are drying up, all my sources. My guess is it just has to do with the summertime. They're selling more t-shirts. So maybe we'll get back to it a bit more frequently in the winter. Yes, this video is coming out not on Monday. But I got the bag and I wanted to get it out, and I wanted to make an announcement. So we'll save the announcement just for a little bit. If you're unfamiliar with these videos, this series, this is where I buy rag bags from local thrift stores that are full of mostly t-shirts and sometimes towels. And we open them up here with you live, not live, but we got a vintage tee. Sort of a naughty vintage tee. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But we open these up and see and look and search for valuable t-shirts. Looks like we actually have some vintage stuff here. This is a vintage tee, but I don't know if it's worth anything. So anyway, yeah. So let's look for some vintage tees. There's not a lot here. So hopefully we'll find something. This is a single stitch. It's a single stitch. This is a vintage tee. It's just not. It's just like some workplace. So, but that is a good sign when you start seeing vintage tees. That does mean there might be other vintage tees. Looks like we have a vintage tee. Maybe, yeah. We have. I think this is a vintage kids tee or something like that. It's like Tinkerbell, Bad Kitty. I think it's a vintage tee, but who actually knows? It doesn't, maybe it's not. Anyway, so we have seen a few vintage tees, so who knows, we might find something else. Oh, what's this? This is Stark Industries, not a vintage tee, but it's Marvel. Mike might want that. All right, so what's the announcement, you might be asking? Well, I am happy to say that we have started an Instagram for the page as of today, after the Big 5, and you can follow us. But in the description below, we'll have our oh, what's up, Pooh? We'll have our Instagram handle. Sometimes these things can be dusty, and you can follow us there. We'll put up like our cool finds. We'll put up. We'll do some like reels where we do some quick tips on vintage clothing and other such items. So follow us there, interact with us more. Several of you had mentioned that you would love to see that. Oh, we have a green M&M vintage tee. I think it might be vintage. Let's see what year. It's got a website. I'm gonna guess this is not vintage. So you can interact with us there, follow us, get some more like up to date details on what's going on, and we'll try to keep it exciting. I've gone back and forth with Instagram. Sometimes I'm good at it, sometimes I'm not. I did have another Instagram that we used for a previous endeavor that I sort of continue to maintain, but we might just abandon that and try to parlay all that into into this new adventure here. So follow us there. It's down in the description, and hopefully we'll enjoy. Oh, look at this! Today's hot new country. This is a vintage. I think it's vintage. Yeah, it's a vintage Fruit of the Loom. It's probably like late '90s. It's probably really not that valuable, but we'll make the Instagram fun. So follow us. Check it down in the description below. And I think there's also a link you can click and just go straight to it. So that's the announcement. Hopefully we'll find a few more things here in this bag. I think I paid $6. Yeah, $6 for this bag. So we're looking to make back $6 so far. Maybe, probably, maybe see $10 out of what we have so far. I think, maybe not even. We have like that's kind of a cool cutoff. Kind of big though. What do we got here? Colorado Avalanche, not vintage. Now we're about a little bit more than halfway through this bag. I'm really looking forward to going back to the days where we got some anime. sword art online. Anyone? I don't know. I'm looking forward to getting back into the days where we had like 3 bags, like 3 giant, like 50-pound bags each video. And, you know, hopefully we'll get to that. We're closing in rapidly on 1,000 viewers, or 1,000 subs. And I am planning a giveaway sort of in celebration of that. So stay tuned, because I'll announce what that is soon. Probably within the next week or so. I will have the announcement as we build towards 1,000 subs. Look at this. It's not a vintage tee, but somebody had a good time in art class. Oh, this doesn't look good. We got, someone loved their cutoffs. Looks like we got the Rick and Morty t-shirt. Yeah, it's a Rick and Morty tee. Come on now, give me something. I think this is gonna be a dud overall. It's a small bag, there's not a lot of possibilities. That's unfortunate. The rest are rags, literal washcloths and rags. So, alright, so check out the Instagram below. Stay tuned for a giveaway that we'll be doing to celebrate 1,000 subs. And stick around, like, comment, subscribe for more content like this, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.